If you order the new Wacom 1 line of tablets from Wacom's website, you can choose from a variety of configurations. You can select the size of the tablet, the type of pen, and add accessories to your order. Since I've already covered these devices in depth in separate reviews, in this video I just want to show what you'll get with each configuration to make it easier to choose the right setup. First, let's start with the non-display versions, the small and medium. I can select the size first, and you'll see the graphic update on the left to show what you're getting. If you order the small, you'll get this. The medium will look like this. In order to use the tablet, you will also need a pen, unless you already have a Wacom EMR pen. The default pen works on the entire Wacom line and looks like this. You'll need to select both a top and base to get a complete pen. You can customize the pen colors to suit your preference. All of the pen components are plastic except for the metallic looking one, which is made of metal. This makes the back end of the pen feel more weighted. As you can see, a pocket clip is also an option. You can also choose from several popular third-party pens like the Dr. Grip. Also compatible are the Staedtler Norris Digital or Lamy All-Star Black EMR, but you'll need to add those to the cart from a separate accessories page. Even the older Wacom 1 pen will work and supports tilt, but it only has one button. Next, you may need a USB-C cable. This is used to connect the tablet to your computer, Android device, or Chromebook, or to charge the tablet's internal battery if you're using the Bluetooth connection. If you already have a USB-C cable, then you can skip this to save some money. Another consideration about the cable is that it is 3 feet 6 inches with a right angle connector on one end. If that's not long enough to reach your computer, or it's too long, then that might be a reason to use a different USB-C cable. Just as well, if your computer only supports USB-A, then you'll need a USB-C to USB-A cable like this one for the Intuos Pro, or a third-party adapter. A carrying case is also available if you want to protect your tablet and make it easier to keep the cable and pen together with it, but it's not essential if you're just keeping this tablet on your desk. This is the one for the Mobile Studio Pro, so it's not identical, but it's very similar. There's a canvas exterior with a padded sleeve inside. The zipper keeps the tablet from falling out. And there is an outer pocket with a magnetic closure for holding accessories. That's all that is available for the small and medium Wacom 1. Before I move on to the display tablets, I will quickly mention that you can purchase these tablets from retail stores. And in that case, they will come with a pen and cable like you see here. I'm not sure if the tablets come with spare nibs when ordering online, but the retail version comes with 10 of them. Next, we'll explore how to customize the display tablet versions, the 12 and 13 touch. Here's what you'll get when you order the 12, and here's the slightly larger 13 that includes multi-touch. Again, a pen will be required unless you already have one. It's the same pen we looked at earlier, and the third-party pens work on these as well. A cable is also required. If your computer has a USB-C or Thunderbolt port that supports both video and data, then you can connect these tablets to your computer with a single USB-C to USB-C cable. If you already have a cable, then you might be able to save some money here. But the ports are inset, which makes it impossible to connect certain cables depending on their shape. It's the plastic surrounding the metal bit that makes it not fit. The best guidance I can give you here is to check the width of the end of the cable. If it's as wide as the metal part of the USB-C connector, it might not work. If it's slimmer, then it probably will work. You can also connect these tablets to an Android device, such as a smartphone or tablet. In that case, you will need an additional USB-C cable and the power adapter, which connects to the USB-C cable. This is so your tablet does not drain the battery of your Android device. If your computer does not support data and video through a single USB-C cable, then your other option is the 3-in-1 cable, which connects to the tablet with USB-C and splits out to HDMI for video, USB-A for data, and USB-C to connect to the power adapter sold separately. Again, if you purchase these tablets from a retail store, the pen, cables and power adapter, and spare nibs will be included. Mine came with 2 USB-C cables. I don't know if Wacom offers any retail packages that include the 3-in-1 cable. There are also optional nibs you can purchase, such as felt or elastomer, to change the feel of the pen on the tablet surface. The next accessory is a clear hard plastic cover that protects the bottom of the Wacom 1, 12, or 13 touch. You'll need to choose the appropriate size. This snaps onto the bottom and can also be customized with stickers to distinguish your tablet from someone else's. If that doesn't matter to you, then this isn't an accessory you need. There is also an optional stand that is compatible with the 12 and 13 Touch. This ultra-portable stand is the size of a cookie and folds out to allow the display to rest on it like so. Without this stand, the tablet can only lie flat on a desk, which can strain your neck and invite a lot of glare from overhead lights. In my opinion, a stand for display tablets is essential. You can also rest your tablet on the stand in a vertical orientation. Just like with the small and medium Wacom one, a carrying case is available to protect the device. If you'll be toting this tablet around a lot, then I would highly recommend a case like this to keep your display from getting scratched. It also works well to keep all of the cables, pen, and stand together with the tablet. There you have it. Those are the various ways you can customize the new Wacom One line of tablets when ordering online. Be sure to check out my in-depth reviews of these devices if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.